here. Alright, we're going to go put a crescent wrench on the bottom. We're going to use a pair of pliers to open the valve unit.
Without the screws. The screws, you don't want that in, mess up the threads.
So we'll take out that screws right there. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, that's the actual temperature that the heater's not firing. The set point.
Push down on the valve. This is a shuttle valve, so what we want to do is get the internal piece out of the body of that blue area. So now we've taken it apart. Alright, now we'll continue on.
Sometimes it takes a screwdriver to kind of get this going.
Alright. We're prying behind here so that we can pull that out. Okay, we got our washer, we got our end cap, our backup ring, 3 pieces. Alright. Then we got a little snap ring around the inside. Be careful that it doesn't spring off. Okay, now we have to get the plunger out, we're going to have to push down and try to get the internal piece to fly up. See, and you got to be very quick to catch it. Okay, so we'll get the plunger with the guides and the tips. You can see the tip on this one, the tip's broken off on this side. But you can visibly see that this tip is intact on this end. Okay, you want to look at the tip of this here and make sure that where the hole is here on the end, that you don't have the broken part of the tip protruding out there. If you do, you can take a paper clip and insert in there and punch the rest of that part out, and then you can replace the plunger. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we've cleaned this off. Now we're going to re-grease this, and that way it'll slide into this assembly a lot easier, and then we'll replace the plunger. Here we go.
Okay, then you take the new plunger.
And yep, the new plunger.
With the tip down.
With the tip down and stick it down inside. There we go. Use the cabinet to push it all the way into the tip. And you'll see that it's all the way down in there snapped and in place. Alright, and then we'll reassemble the valve body. Okay, now what you want to do here is put the snap ring in the groove and hold it in place, and then with your other finger expand it around until it snaps into place. Just like that, and then you check it and you make sure that it is snapped in place. Alright, and then now we'll
Then you usually take some grease, put around
some grease around the center part, poke that back into the body,
align this
align the holes so that whenever you put the screws back in there, that it'll be set up. Okay.
ring stop.
Yep. Okay, so it's the inlet side of the valve, so you'll need to drop the piece in here first until it's snapped into place, and then screw it onto the valve body. And then everything will line up. Use your needle nose pliers and go ahead, and this is just hand tight closing it until it won't move anymore, and there you go, it's assembled.